Hello, I just wanted to show you the basic functionality of the focus lock mechanism. So what you see here is the reflection of a cover slip of a 10x objective lens with an infrared laser. That's the current focus measurement signal. And first what you can do is you can calibrate it. So we go around 500 micrometer from the current position, plus minus, and then in 5 steps. So it will basically track the focus value versus the steps. So this will basically come very nicely here. There seem to be some discrepancies, so it's slightly too low, slightly too high. I think it might be that we're just not in sync with the time here. Nevertheless, the slope is quite clear. It's also given right here. And what we can do now is we use a current focus value of this very position. So we store this value here. So we have 1126. It's an arbitrary value. And then we can go somewhere. Let's assume the slide is completely tilted and we artificially detune the focus. And then we use the use stored set point, and you see it will jump into the right focus, well, within 3 steps right now. So it tries to find an accurate position. Let's do like heavy defocus. It will still be focusing in that position. So this will work with any lens essentially. It's an infrared based system. And you also won't find the infrared beam here. So you can still again detune that quite a lot, and then it should be still fine. One nice feature is also if you go to well plates and then have a protocol where you have multiple of these points. So let's ignore, well, let's switch to this one here. I think it's not quite calibrated, so I think we're just right here. We remove all the different points and then we essentially look for new points. So again, live view, let's say we want to have one here, and one here. And then you can use this focus lock mechanism inside the parameters. So this will be cleaned up in a short time so that it's a bit more clear what's happening here. Let's assume we do a time lapse where you have an image taken every 10 seconds of these 3 points. And then you want to use the focus lock. So we use the hardware, not the software focus lock. And then you can basically say, well, within 3 attempts, use the current value, which was, well, it's given from the focus mechanism center right now. And then what you can do is start the measurement. So we only want to do that for the LED, not the LED array. And then you start. And what's happening essentially is it will go to these positions, go to the perfect focus, always basically given by the focus sensor. Since we applied that for 3 positions every 10 seconds, it will take 3 images every 10 seconds essentially. So, and for a large field of view, this becomes very handy because maybe the microscope is losing focus because of heat or temporal variation whatsoever. And the microscope will find its focus based on the focus lock mechanism very reliably. So if you have any question, feel free to reach out to us. The microscope will take more images over time. And if this is exactly the application you're looking for, this can all be customized also with a handcrafted UI, basically the API. And if you want to use that in your system with your robot, that's all possible. Thanks a lot and see you later.